Dissecting microscope. Dissecting microscope is used to magnify small animals or to see large sections, or to perform dissections of small animals. It consists of 1. Foot, 2. Stand, 3. Vertical limb, 4. Folded arm, 5. Simple convex lens, 6. Glass stage, 7. Reflecting mirror, 8. Clips and 9. Adjustment screw, 10. The folded arm has lens through which upturned image of the object is seen. Figure dissecting microscope. To see any object, clean and dry the stage. 1. Place the object on the stage of microscope. 2. Place the eye close to one side of the lens and adjust the mirror. 3. Turn the focusing screw up and down as the need be to get a sharp and distinct image of the object.